What is up, guys? Edwin from TonnoFlip. Today I'm gonna show you everything that we're doing here at TFP Shop. Here we have this ram. Come over here, I'm gonna show you what we're doing to this ram. We already installed the hard drive folding tonneau cover. As you can see here, I'm gonna open it up so you can see the operation. I'm a short guy, I'm sorry about this, guys, but I'm having a hard time reaching the cover here. So here's the prop rods. You have one on each side. If you want to drive with the cover fully open, you just use these two prop rods here. They are very strong, so the cover is not going to fall down while you're driving. I'm going to show you the Toyota Tundra we have here. We installed the Toyota TRD Pro style grill. This one is already done. It's living. So I'm going to show you the next truck we're doing here. This one is a Tacoma 2016 to 2023. We're installing the DRLs. I'm going to show you later how they look. And also, they are installing the DRLs here under the headlights. This is how it looks without the front bumper. Now, we have another Tacoma here, which we are installing the TRD style 20-inch wheels with the Predator tires. I'm gonna show you later how it looks once we install this. We have another Tacoma 2025 here. We are installing the TRD Pro style grill. This is how it looks without the bumper. Also, we installed this TonnoFlip bed cover. Show you real quick. Try to open it with one hand so you can see how easy you can operate this tonneau cover. Remember, I'm filming and also opening this tonneau cover. Look how easy you can operate this tonneau cover. We have the F-150 2024 here, which we are installing also the TonnoFlip bed cover. It's finishing the installation now. Show you the rails here, rail system. Here we have the Hunter Revolution walk-away equipment here for the installation of the wheels and tires. So the F-150 is ready to leave. We installed the hard drive folding tonneau cover. Show you the operation here. Complete access to your truck bed. Look how flush it looks on this F-150 once it's closed. Waterproof, lifetime warranty. You cannot get a better cover than this TonnoFlip. Another truck equipped with the best tonneau cover, TonnoFlip. We do this every day, guys. For 14 years, we've been doing tonneau covers, pickup truck accessories, and everything related to pickup trucks. Look at our shop here. TonnoFlip tonneau cover. Look how easy you can operate this tonneau cover. Did you know you can step on this tonneau cover? It holds up to 500 pounds of weight on top of it. Close it here real quick. I'm showing you guys so you can see how easy you can operate this tonneau cover. Look at the quality of this tonneau cover. I'm gonna step on it so you can see that it holds. Well, I'm not 500 pounds, of course, but you know, anyone can step on this tonneau cover. So let me show you what else we're doing here. Oh, he didn't wait for me. I wanted to show you guys how he was installing the front bumper with the grill, but you know, we have a lot of trucks here, so they cannot wait for me. And here he's installing the wiring on this grill. When he's done, I'm gonna show you how it looks with the lights and the bar on. Here he's finishing the wheels with the Predator tires. All right, so this Tacoma is finished. This is the final product. Put it down here real quick. We'll see how it looks now. Another truck finish here at TFP Shop. I'll be installing the bumper back in the truck. Get ready to finish installing the DRLs, fog light DRLs, and headlights DRL. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how they look once he plugs in all the wiring, so you can see. DRLs are finished. We're gonna turn them on so you can see. Look, fog lights, DRL, headlights, DRL. You can also do signal lights. We also installed the TonnoFlip door visors. Them, how they look very flat here. The best door visors you'll ever get. You cannot compare these to any other door visors. We are finished with this Tacoma 2024 TRD Pro style grill. Turn it on. So you can see here, you got the LED bar, you have the amber lights, clean installation here at TFP Shop. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, we have more trucks here, but I cannot do a 20-minute video. But stay tuned, we're gonna show you all the transformation and builds we do here at TFP Shop. Make sure you follow us on our social media and TonnoFlip.com, launching 2026.